All right, so I am back with another gifted product, and today I bring you it's a shelf that holds two computer monitors. So I am gonna show you it and tell you all the specs about it. All right, so you can see that this is a double monitor stand that we can use. It sits about 33.46 by 10.2 and sits up 5 inches. This is perfect to put little shelving underneath or even some books, potentially CDs, whatever it may be that would be perfect for your desk. Now, with that being said, the top portion is waterproof. It's a non-slip bottom. And it's also a steel frame. So right here it is steel, and underneath there is where it is the non-slip. Now you are able to put up to 150 pounds on here, and like I had said, it does hold two monitors. And then with that, it is everything that you need to put it together. So it came both with an Allen wrench and a dual screwdriver. So always handy to have those. Well, I do hope that this review does help and you have yourself a wonderful day.